Are you a product manager, product designer, product developer, or a team lead or a tech lead? You should watch this video. Trash that. Let's get to what we are getting into. Now, I don't know if we are familiar with this concept called the mastermind. So my next month read is called How to Raise Your Salary by Napoleon Hill. He was interviewing Carnegie. Is it Carnegie or Carnegie? One of the greatest men that ever lived, who made his money via manufacturing steel. And the man laid out 17 principles to like raising your salary or rebuilding wealth or building impact, whatever you are going to call it. And the first principle was the principle of definiteness of purpose. Your purpose has to be defined and stuff. As a product person, you know that product vision, product strategy, and product requirements, all of those things, they matter to how the final working product will eventually turn out. Now, but that's not where I'm even going to. The part I'm going to is the mastermind principle, where he took it from the concept of Jesus having to build 12 disciples to like achieve his ministry and pass on succession of Christendom or Christianity. Now, no mind is on its own totally complete, because if any mind was on its own totally complete, you will not need the support or the help of any other mind. So that is where that concept also stems from. As product people, we are often in the trap of wanting to solve things every time. But the truth is, sometimes we need to learn to ask for help. I used to have an issue with it. I still struggle with it right now, right? I want to always provide a solution. I'm given the problem, I want to draw the solution. But sometimes somebody in your team or somebody that is in your circle, could be your friend or your community, has done that thing before, has better knowledge of how to run it. You can reach out to this person and say, hey, you once spoke about so and so. How did you do it in your company? Do you mind walking me through it? Like, it gives you, it might not give you the in-depth analysis, but there could be confidential details he or she cannot share, right? But what happens is he or she will lighten up a new part that you are not thinking of. The truth is, when you are working on something, there's probability that you are focused on one direction, at best 2 or 3 directions, that you would miss out on the 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th directions that external eyes, external ears could help you see. So that is where the importance of these things come in, right? So you need it as much as you can think of. So today, when you get into your company, or when you resume work, or next week, let's say from Monday, start to study everybody in your company. In my company, I know both at Inegben and in my 9 to 5, I know the people that problem I have, I know who to reach out to. If it's strategy, I know who to reach out to. If it's creative blogs, I know who to reach out to, right? And most times it's actually my circle. In my circle, yeah. So we are all in the tech space, right? Branding, design, development, cloud, cybersecurity. I have all of them as friends. So I always have who to reach. There was a time we were working on a product in the company I work for, Smart Technology, right? And we got stuck at a point. I reached out to my friend Dre Damnari Adigun, and we brought him into a call. He helped us put clarity to it, and that was it. I'm the product manager. I didn't know how to solve that problem. I have 2 product designers. They are not as experienced as he is. Dre has spent years as a designer, worked both across different industry, right? So I knew that, okay, at this point, forget grad product manager. Reach out to this person who is a senior person in the design space. I reached out to him, how far, bro? Can you help me out with this and this? Like, okay, let's set up a call. And since then, we've identified it. Now you even know how to do it better, right? So don't stay stuck in that hole of wanting to prove that you can solve everything. Sometimes learn to rest. God rested on the 7th day. Jesus used 12 disciples. Bro, Texas, rest.